this section is about finding the federal income tax withholding using the wage bracket method and the percentage method. So we're going to walk through both ways. So using the wage bracket method, you're going to refer to the textbook pages 198 and 199, and they have brackets that look like this for single and like this for married people, and we'll refer to them in just a second. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know what the employee's gross earnings, the number of withholdings, and the marital status is. So this employee, Paula, has a gross earnings of $534.25. She's married and has one withholding. So then I go to the wage bracket thing to the right one. She is not single, so I go to the married one. And she is married, and she makes $534. So I go down this column right here until I get to $534. So notice that I am $534 is between $530 and $540. So it's right there. She has one withholding. So she has one withholding, and which would put her at $20. So she's going to owe $20 in income tax. So this doesn't require you to compute anything, you just look it up. So she owes $20. Okay? The other method is to use the percentage method. Okay, using the percentage method, you're going to use two different pages in the textbook. You're going to use page 201 and 202. And there's two charts on there. This is the one that tells you how many to have withholdings, how much allowance they get based on a withholding. And then there's this one, which tells you what percentage they get and how much you above amount and a given amount. So we're going to look at both of those charts in just a second. So in this particular case, Frank is married and he claims for withholding allowances. So the first thing I do is I come over here and I look at the number of withholdings. He gets paid weekly. So I come back over here and I look at weekly. That's a $70.19 allowance for each withholding. He has 4 withholdings. So he has 4 times the $70.19. Okay, so we're going to figure that amount out, which is going to give you $280.76. Okay, that's how much he doesn't have to pay. So you start with his gross amount, you subtract this, which gives you $949.24. And then from that, you look up the percentage. That's how much he has to pay tax on. So then you come over here, you look at the percentage. He is at $949, and he's married. So going to the married column, go to $949. That's between $471 and $1,457. So he's going to pay $20.70 plus 15% of anything over $471. So, again, I come over here. I have to subtract the $471 because that's what he's going to pay tax on. So he's going to pay tax on $478.24. So the first part of his tax withholdings is the $20.70, and then it's plus 15%. So I have to find 15% of this. So I'd multiply this times 15%. That's going to give me $71.74. So his income tax is going to be $20.70 plus the 15% on the amount over the $471. So I'm going to add those together. And Frank is going to owe $92.44. So again, this is the method using percentages, and this is the method using the brackets, wage brackets. If you have any questions, let me know. That's a simple get you to it. Make sure you practice. You're going to choose 3 pairs from Part A and 3 pairs from Part C to show me, and then we'll move on.